Good evening guys. So last night I went down to the Gold Coast and picked up a new camera. So I'll give you a quick rundown. I picked up this camera here. So it is a Canon Powershot Sx730 HS. It is an excellent camera. I've just been mucking around with it. Actually, there it is there. So everything that you see right in here, that's what it came with. So it came with extended warranty, which I loved. Came with an extra fucking SD card for it. So it came with a 64 and a 30 gig SD card, so that's mad. Came with a Gorilla Pod, which is chunky and mad. It came with this little harness thing, double mad. So basically brand new. Got it second hand, but yeah, like I said, basically brand new. So this is the camera here. So I'll give you a basic rundown on it. So this is pretty nice feeling. So that thumb pad there and the finger pads right here are really nice. What I find amazing as well is that the microphone is right on the top there. So instead of it being on the side or on the front, it's actually on the top. So I'm wondering how good with the wind it holds up. So I hope it holds up pretty good, and that's the main reason why I got it. So I got it mainly because it's really good for vlogging, so I don't have to hold my 600D in front of my face. It's too fucking heavy, too bulky, too everything like that. So I'm just going to power it on. Well, you can see me there, mad. So, and also a good advantage as well for this one, it's got a 40 optical zoom. That's fucking amazing. So I'm just going to flip this down a little bit. The picture quality in the video right here, it looks shit, but in real life, man, it's fucking unbelievable. 10 out of 10, will suggest it to everyone. So if you like, of course I've gone and got a really good deal on it, and so what I suggest guys is go and do some research before you rush in to get expensive cameras and shit like that, because I was looking online, like these aren't really cheap. Like they're starting around $500 or so dollars, any up to $600-700 depending where you get it. But what I'm saying here today is do your research, do everything like that, and then you should bag a bargain like I've done tonight. So I'm just gonna do some quick like videos off this, and I'll show you how good of quality it is. So I'm just gonna really change it up now, so we'll power it up and see how good it is. Wow guys, what do you think? What do you guys think about this new camera? It's bloody amazing. So this is what I was talking about with the zoom. You can just zoom right up into that pimple right there, no problem. So, and plus it's not breaking the arm, so win-win situation. It's believable that this thing is a brilliant camera. I'm going to quickly take it outside before the battery dies, and I'll show you some quick footages of me just walking around my yard. Alright, so mad dog. So I'm just out in the back garden here, and as you can see, it's really windy. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know if I should do some more tutorials like this. This battery's going to die. So this is Jasper, by the way. If you guys haven't met him, Jasper. He's an American staffy. Jasper. When I first got him a few months ago, he was a little bubba. But I'm just loving how the green is green. Yuck. Yuck. Really, dude? Really? My head hurts. Let me know if you guys like this camera, because I am enjoying this camera, yo. Also, it is amazing quality. What do you guys think? Going from dark to light. Hey guys, so the battery died, as I was saying in the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video whatsoever, if you think this video helped you out in any way, give it a like, give it a share, give it a comment. Let me know if you think that this camera here is better than my 600D, and I would love to hear from your guys' opinion. So let me know and see if I just want to see if which one's better. So in my personal preference, I reckon this one here is a lot better than 600D, but that's my personal preference. I just want to hear from you guys. So yeah, if you're new to this channel as well, consider subscribing, because I upload videos regularly, and why the fuck not, because join the family and you will not regret it. Alright, so Mad, thank you for that, and peace out, and I will see you in the next video.